Welcome to my channel Information and Tech. Some of my viewer and subscriber have again highlighted this issue that we are facing the BitTorrent downloading or connecting to peer issue. So in this tutorial I will guide you step by step due to some updates and new tracker that we have added in our tracker list. I will also share with you. So first of all I will guide you one by one. You have to follow this step and then your problem will be fixed. First of all you will go to general and then you can check this one, and it is not necessary, but if you can change it will be a better result. And then you have UI, and then we have go to directory. From here you can change your download location, so you must give the location where you have a good space, and then you again go to connection and change this enable UPnP and net. And if you have any server of proxy you can also mention it. And the last one is you can see the random port, so you have to change it accordingly. And then the most important setting is the bandwidth setting. You go to bandwidth setting and from here you can change this value as I mentioned in this video. So from here you will give up to 7, and then from maximum download will be showing up to 0. And then you go to the next step. From here you can see the global maximum number of connection, which is 16, so you have to change it to 2450. And then the next one is a maximum number of connected peer per torrent is 350, so you have to change it accordingly. And then the next is the number of upload slot per torrent, so you can keep it up to 4 or 2, maybe it will be maximum up to 8. So from here I will put it this value up to 4, and then you can apply and then save. The next one is BitTorrent. So you have just enabled UDP tracker support, because we have some provided the UDP tracker in my list. I will provide you in my description. And then you also enable BTFS. The next one is a transfer cap. So if you have any cap, must you have to remove it. And then the queue setting you must have keep it accordingly. As I mentioned here 4, and this one 7, I will change up to 8. This menu will also complete it by changing this value. Next we will go to the next menu, which is very important, and it is advanced setting. In advanced setting what you can do, you will search here BT connect speed. I am searching for BT as I pressed BT, but it's not showing, so I will filter from here as BIT. No, it is not BIT, so we search for BT only, B and T, and maybe it will be showing. So from here as I searched BT, as you can see this is BT connect speed, so you have to change it up to 95 and then press set, so it will be changed accordingly. As you can see this is changed. Okay, all our setting is done, completed. Now we go to the main menu, and from here you can see what we can do. In a bandwidth allocation we will change it from normal to high, and then we will go to bandwidth allocation. From here you can see the download limit will be unlimited, and upload limit will be up to 5, 10 or maybe 15 kbps. All setting is done. As you can see here is no tracker. As I mentioned, this link will be provided in my description link, so you can copy, simple download and then update your tracker list. This is updated list. As you can see we have enabled from client side, and now we will add this tracker. So from here we have just passed it and then apply and then OK. So this will be saved. All setting is done. We have one time to close this one, and also we have go from here, and from start you can also exit one time to apply all the setting. So everything is done. Now we will again open it as run as administrator to apply this setting, and then we will check the result, that is there is any result we are getting, or still the slow speed or connecting to PRC. It will take, you see, some time, and then it is showing. Now this is a one first promotion page, so we have to close it, and then we will go to the file and we start. As you can see we have started. Let's get the result. As you can see, it is fixed the connecting issue, and also the speed is very increasing step by step. You can see the speed is smoothly increasing, and obviously it is also depending on your internet. If you have a good internet speed, you will get a good result, because this is the most advanced and advanced tracker and setting you have applied. You will must fix this issue. Thanks for watching.